Welcome back to Mentor Merlin's YouTube channel, and today we will be talking about a real issue faced by one of our candidate and how Mentor Merlin guided her to the perfect solution. The candidate ABCD who got registered her OET account under the name ABC. However, her passport showed her full name ABCD. So the small difference might seem harmless, but it can delay your NMC process, also can cause verification issues since your name must match exactly across the OET, NMC, and also even in the passport records. So here's how we helped. Mentor Merlin, our team, guided her to fill out the official OET name, the date of birth, change request form designed to correct the personal details. We walked her through the process step by step and ensuring all the supporting documents were just attached correctly and submitted to the OET for verification. And guess what? The issue was resolved quickly with no time in her NMC journey. So nurses, if you face any issues when it comes to name or the document mismatch, do not panic. Mentor Merlin is here to guide you through every step of your way. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Mentor Merlin's YouTube channel for more real stories and expert solutions from Mentor Merlin. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.